Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel The Virtual Girl. This is Bindita and I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In my previous video, I have already talked about the skincare and our body care for the winter season. And in today's video, we will talk about the hair care routine. Actually, if we do not take care of our hair at this time, means in the winter time, then we might encounter the hair fall, dry scalp, the dandruff, this kind of issue. So today we will talk about how we will overcome that kind of a issue. But before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell button. So now let's get started. Hair mask is very important for our hair. It is always advisable to apply hair mask for our hair so that our hair can absorb all the nutrients that it needs. I personally use a DIY hair mask for this winter season. So now let's have a look how I can prepare and how I apply that mask. Let's see. Now we will prepare our DIY hair mask. First we have banana, which will make our hair strong and thick. Then we have egg that helps in restoring the moisturizer, and then we have honey for nourishment, for adding extra moisturizer. Then we have aloe vera gel to stimulate the hair growth and reduce the scalp inflammation. And lastly we have the olive oil to add the softness and help to strengthening our hair. Now we will take everything into this mixing bowl and we'll make it a smooth paste, and here it is ready. And you can see that the consistency is semi thick and it is exactly looking like a spa cream. We need to take care that no lumps should be there, it should be smooth. So now you can see that my hair is not looking at all smooth and shiny. It is quite dull and frizzy. Now I will apply the hair mask to all over my hair from root to tip. Yes, this is very important. We should not skip the tip of our hair. So I'm applying it. Now I am tying my hair with a clutcher, and I will wait for another 1 hour, and then I will wash my hair with a mild shampoo, and then we apply the conditioner. So now you can see there is a huge difference, like it is quite bouncy. My hair looks quite bouncy, smooth and shiny, and it is quite straight also. So you can use this mask once in a week. We always follow a very bad habit. क्या करते हैं हम लोग, नहाने का बाद कोई भी एक टॉवल उठा लेते हैं और हेयर को पूरा रैप कर लेते हैं टू रिमूव द एक्सेस वाटर फ्रॉम आवर हेयर. बट वी शुड नॉट डू दैट, क्योंकि क्या होता है उस टाइम हम लोग का स्कैल्प और हेयर का जो टिश्यू है वो बहुत वीक रहता है. सो दैट टाइम डैमेज होने का चांसेस भी बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है. सो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ ऑलवेज एडवाइजेबल टू put a microfiber cloth, or if you do not have any microfiber cloth, then go for a cotton t-shirt and wrap your hair to remove the excess water. This way you can save a lot of breakage. Trust me, I have tried this one and I got the result. Next tip is try to avoid the styling tool as much as possible this time, like the straightener, the crimper or the curling tool, anything. Because क्या होते हैं ना, जितना हम लोग हेयर को हीट प्रोवाइड करेंगे उतना हेयर का जो केराटिन बॉन्ड होता है वो पहले लूज हो जाते हैं और बाद में ब्रेक होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. सो दैट विल कॉज हेयर फॉल एंड हेयर डैमेज. सो try to avoid this kind of a tool as much as possible, and if you are still want to use this type of tool, then please apply any kind of a heat protection mist. You can go for the Stony and Guy one, that is also very good. I have tried that one. To just use that kind of a spray it all over your hair, then you can go for that styling tool so that all the damages can be minimized. our hair needs moisturization too, like our skin. So that is why I would suggest, please try to apply any hair oil in your hair in at least thrice a week. Keep it for approx 2 to 3 hours, then wash it off with any kind of a mild shampoo. This way you can reduce your hair fall and your hair damage. And if you are not sure that which hair oil you should apply, I will suggest please go for the extra virgin coconut oil. That is the best for our hair. विंटर में एकदम हॉट वाटर में नहाना हम सब लोगों को बहुत पसंद है, लेकिन if we apply that kind of a hot water into our hair, that can damage our hair and that can dry out our hair and our scalp. So that is why I will always advise, please go for the lukewarm water or the gunguna pani and get your hair washed off with that water so that you can reduce the hair damage. So that's all for today. These were some small tips and tricks that you can follow to maintain your hair's health in the winter time so that you can have the beautiful silky smooth hair in the winter time. So if you like this video, then please give it a huge thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you know any other hacks for this winter season. And please don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, and share this video with all your friends and your family members. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe. So that's all for today. See you on next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.